Today start exercise number 12.3, problem number 1. So problem number 1 given, unless stated otherwise use pi kilo 22/7. Find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.9. This is figure 12.19. If PQ equal to 24 centimeter, PR equal to 7 centimeter, and O is the center of the circle. Now our requirement, these two measurement given, this is 24 centimeter given and this is 7 centimeter given. Now we have to find area of this shaded region. So first, so obviously this is a semicircle, this line passing through the center, this is diameter, QR is the diameter, this is the semicircle, this area of this shaded portion semicircle minus area of the triangle. So first solution, given PQ equal to 24 centimeter, PR equal to 7 centimeter. So this is a semicircle and we know this theorem. This is, suppose this is a semicircle, this is semicircle, half circle, this is semicircle. If we draw angle in a semicircle is always 90 degree. This is 90 degree, always 90 degree. If we draw another angle, then also this is 90 degree. We know this. So obviously this is a diameter and this angle is 90 degree. If it is 90 degree, then this is a right angle triangle. If it is 90, then opposite side is hypotenuse. One is base, another is perpendicular. So from figure we have angle RPQ equal to 90 degrees. Since angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Since angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So therefore we get QR square equal to PQ square plus PR square by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem we get this hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So QR square PQ, the length of PQ given 24 and PR given 7. So QR square equal to 576 plus 49. So QR square equal to 625 and QR equal to root over 625 equal to 25. Therefore we get the length QR. I want to write here. Therefore QR equal to 25 cm we get. Now our requirement, area of the triangle PQR. Now area of triangle RPQ equal to half into PQ into RP, half into base into height, then half PQ given 24 and RP is 7. So this is cancel 12 into 7, this is 84 centimeter square. So area of triangle is 84 centimeter square. Therefore, area of triangle RPQ equal to 84 centimeter square. So again, QR means diameter. Again, diameter QR, this equal to 25 centimeter. Therefore, radius R equal to 25 by 2 centimeter. Now first you have to find area of semicircle. Area of semicircle equal to half pi r square. So area of circle is pi r square, semicircle means half pi r square. Half pi means 22 by 7 and r means 25 by 2 whole square. This one given. Now we cancelling this. This is 11 and this is 11 by 7 and this will be 625 by 4. And this is 28. 625 into 11, if we multiply in shortcut method, 625, this is 5, 7, 8, 6. This will be 6875. And this is the area of semicircle. Therefore, area of semicircle equal to 6875 by 28 centimeter square. Now our requirement, area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region means this is the semicircle, whole semicircle minus area of the triangle. If we taking area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle, then we get area of the shaded region. Therefore, area of the shaded region equal to area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle RPQ. Area of the semicircle, just I get this 6875 by 28 and area of the triangle is 84, this one. So if we taking LCM, 28 is our LCM, 6875 and 28 into this 84, we get 2352. Again, if we subtract this, 28 is remain same, 5 minus 2 is 3, 7 minus 5 is 2, 8 minus 3 is 5 and 6 minus 2 is 4. 4523 by 28 centimeter square. And this is our final answer. The area of the shaded region is 4523 by 28 centimeter square. So very easy. Now we consider problem number 2. In problem 2 given, find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.20 if radii of the two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively, and angle AOC equal to 40 degrees. So we have to find area of the shaded region, and this radius given OB and OA, two radius are given, 7 and this is 7 and 14 given, this one 7 centimeter and this is 14 centimeter OA, and angle also given 40 degree. Now we want to find what is the area of the shaded region. So this is a sector area. So if we taking this OAC minus OBD, ultimately we get this shaded region. So here solution given radius, the radii OB equal to, suppose R1 equal to 7 centimeter, OA equal to R2 equal to 14 centimeter, and theta equal to angle AOC equal to 40 degree given. Now actually our requirement shaded region, area of the shaded region, A, so BACD equal to sector area of OAC, or if we write here P is a point, or no need to write P, OAC minus sector area OBD. Sector area of OAC, sector area of OAC and sector area of OBD. So sector area of OAC, this is theta by 360 degree pi R2 square minus sector area OBD theta by 360 into pi R1 square. We get this. Now theta by 360 pi, this is common. We get R2 square minus R1 square, and this is theta means 40 degree, and this is 360, pi means 22 by 7, and R2 means 14 square minus 7 square. We get this one. So this implies, if we cancelling this will be 9. 4 9s are 36. So 1 by 9, 22 by 7, and 196 minus 49. 14 square, 196 minus 49. 7 square means 49. 1 by 9, 22 by 7. If we subtract this, 16 minus 9, this is 7, this is 8 and 4, and this one 4. Cancelling by 7, 2, 7, 1. And this is 1 by 9 into 22 into 21. Cancelling by 3, 7. And we get, this will be 7 and 22, 22 into 7 by 3. this is 14, this is 15. So 154 by 3 centimeter square, and this is our final answer. So answer is very big. If answer is very big means this is our ending position. So dear students, this solution is very easy. Just you have to find sector area of this minus sector over this, then we get the area of the shaded region. So this is our answer. So I think the solution is very easy. If you are feeling easy, then please like this video, and not feeling easy, then no need to like. So if you are feeling easy, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon also. Thank you.